Yeah, the first time I remember Appu Raja, and there was a making of something where Kamal Hassan. I really wanted to know how did that go off. I mean, back then the VFX, I mean, you wouldn't have heard of VFX back then, right?
Yeah.
For that kind of a film.
Yeah.
But how did he do that? I mean, was he wearing shoes? I think he just flipped his leg
No,
and he was
I don't
wearing
think
shoes
they
here.
flipped. I
Wearing
feel-
shoes here.
No,
Something like that.
No, he must have been wearing shoes here. That he did. Because I think they made trenches for him, like that
Oh, is it?
like things to walk in. I have a feeling.
Okay.
I don't know. I would imagine it's not possible to have folded your legs back
Clearly.
and walked around so easily.
Okay, I don't know.
So I think they probably did a thing where his legs could have gone in and maybe he just like kind of waddles along a certain channel or something. That's what I can imagine. I don't know how else.
And I'm talking about the fact that Mr. Bachchan, has no legs
Yeah.
in the film Wazir. But how did you guys do that? I mean, was it just VFX or what?
Yeah, it had to be
Had to
VFX.
be
na?
VFX. No, I don't know. I mean, I don't know, man. I mean, clearly
They
there
brought
are
this big saw.
no, there are characters that I mean, when you look at physically, I mean, the characters.
No, it
really
is. I mean, the thing is
delve
that you
into
see, there are scenes in the film where you see the fact that his legs are like they're stumps here. You see that when he's sitting on his wheelchair, and it's I mean, there's an amazing VFX.
At least
thing.
VFX is improved.
Yeah, of course. Oh, tremendously.
You can
It's
make
come a long way.
Oh, ये green screen है ये नहीं है.
No, it's come a long way.
Come a long way.
Yeah.
Chalo, finally. I need to edit this question. It looked very bad on my part. But I don't know, man. When I see characters like The Machinist and Castaway
crazy.
and Bhag Milkha Bhag, and you know that how physically crazy
But
you
Machinist
guys
is
go,
just
man.
out of control.
You could die in that film,
Yeah, it's out of
literally.
Yeah, I mean, 100% he could have. I'm pretty certain that he was just hanging in there.
Yeah, it's crazy.
But it's phenomenal to see somebody do that to themselves.
Bale, yeah.
I've always found that kind of stuff really impressive. Like even with the whole Raging
Yeah.
Bull thing, for example.
Oh, yeah.
You know, that going from that
Many,
fitness of a
yeah.
boxer to like this big lardy man. It's just really, I mean, that kind of commitment is so amazing. Hi, this is Farhan Akhtar and you're watching cinemarkets.com.